How you doing, everyone? Woo! Fun time getting out of the driveway this morning, but my plow guy come along and clean me out. How you making out? We're taking Ernie over to the vet. She's all. We had a snowstorm last night, as you can see. Those of you who've been following this is on the road with the Big Jimmy, by the way. I'm Jimmy. Those of you who've been following the little vlog for a long time, you'll see a markedly different day compared to usual. When it's so sunny and all the trees are out and all the leaves are out and all that stuff. Well, the fun part about this week is after I get my appointments done this morning, I'm going into work from 12 till 8. Then I work tomorrow, and then I'm off the weekend. But this weekend I have the grandkids coming over for an overnighter, which is great fun. I love that. And that'll be Friday the 5th. Right now we're sitting at -2 Celsius. That's about 32 Fahrenheit or so. I don't know what it is Fahrenheit. And getting my boy there in the back seat, Ernie, he's got to get his allergy needle and a couple of his other needles, which means probably about $400, $500. It's okay, he's a good boy. He's my good boy. I'm surprised that the mail carriers are out. There's a big labor disruption that's just settled in Canada. The mail carriers. Surprised that they're out though. This terrible day. Schools are canceled, of course, up here because there was a flake of snow in the air 2 days ago, which means, well, we got to cancel school. You can see my boy here. Ernie, you back there? Heading to that means we're heading to the vet. He loves that. He does not love that, but at the very least he knows what it is. We get there, they call him Mr. Kissy, because he won't stop kissing everybody in the place. Even if I tell him to stop, he still does it. Mr. Kissy is here. Girls just love him. They don't know how much of a pain in the butt he can be. Hear him back there? Hey Ernie, quiet, kill you. My little baby boy. My boy. So the Jen's tires on our car. Get that done here as soon as possible. Well, they got a big thing going on down at the rink over there today. I wonder what that is. Who knows? Who knows what that is? Warm. What's the problem? Quiet. Had your breakfast, you pee, you poop. Get everything done. Going to the vet even though you don't want to. You know, the problem is they put his collar on and his leash and thinks he's going to the waterfront. He doesn't quite get it. No, we don't do that in the winter, even though he's been going for 8 years. It's not the time, my boy. Not the time. Yeah, I know. I know. It's terrible. Yeah, I know. All about it. I think either that or he knows now. Wait a minute. We don't go to the waterfront in the snow. Stop! Thank you. The crying and whimpering has got to stop. It's been going on for over 8 years. I get it. You're not impressed. You have to keep going because there's nothing I can do. Well, he doesn't know. Shut up, everybody. You sound like my wife. He knows very well what he's doing. Or he wouldn't be doing it and looking at me. Here we are to the Mayfield Vet Clinic. I'll go in and they'll say, we're a little late. And I'll say, well, listen, I got here, so you make sure you get here. Sorry, we're just getting set up today. We're going to be another hour. No, you're not. I'm afraid you are not going to be another hour. Me and Mr. Kissy want our appointment. And we're 7 minutes early, so we'll sit here for a little bit, but yeah, I know. I know, buddy. I know. Daddy's boy. I never thought about that. You know, Downey Ford is across the street over there. And they St. Croix Car Spa. That's a good thing over there. And I wonder how they get those things all cleaned up. I wouldn't want to be the guy that's got to walk around cleaning off all the vehicles. Of course, they got a guy hired to do that. Or do they just tell everybody that sells the vehicles, get your ass out there and get the snow cleaned off? While you're not selling anything, you have to go and clean the cars off. Make me wonder. Then I gotta go to work after I get home from this and my own appointment. I don't know. Got my Harvey, New Brunswick tooth on today. All right, everybody, I won't bore you as I sit here for a couple of minutes waiting for this place to open up. I will just go on in with my Big E here and we'll get everything going. Ernie, is there anything you want to say besides looking at the back of my head and whimpering? Because you're just going to go inside there, whimper, ask for some treats, and they'll give them to you, and you'll kiss everybody, get your needles, and I'll pay $400 for 6 treats and needles. Then we'll go home. You can lay on the floor and I'll shower and get ready for work. So thanks everybody for coming along. I certainly appreciate you coming along these boring drives. This wasn't much of one really. This is just you know, post snowstorm. Still snowing out there for Pete's sake. So if you felt like you'd want to, you know, sit around in a snowstorm and look at people, and this is a place for you. So thanks everybody, and I will subscribe to yours. Give me a sub one of these days. Thank you so much. Have a good one.